How's that for a can of potatoes and pickles and stuff?
We're gonna shoot rounds and rounds and rounds upon rounds out of a helicopter.
Gunship, boss.
Out of a gunship. We were literally going in a gunship
To shoot zombies.
and shooting fake zombies in the desert.
Time to get some, boss. Time to get some. Hoorah!
Super dope. My accuracy was definitely very high. I was told by all of the pilots that I was by far the best shooter. It was Roy that did all the killing.
You're dang right it was.
Hey, ladies and gents, how's it going? It's Roy here. Make sure you check out all our social pages and do all the things that social media people do, so you don't miss out on our shenanigans. And, well, Aaron's crap, too.